My name is Sebastian. I am a videographer based in the south of Spain. I have been using the new VDSLR MK2 lenses over the past few months in different shootings and environments like fashion shots, drone clips and underwater videography. Due to their weight and size, they're perfect for the use on drones. The focus rings are all in the same place for every lens, so no need to change your full focus after changing your lens. The lenses are dust and splash proof, so I can use them close and even inside the water without any problem. The overall handling and build quality is great, and the picture quality is just amazing.